The DMV road test, how hard is it? To obtain a driver's license, new drivers must pass a driving test. An examiner assigns a grade to each driver based on a set of criteria. Despite the fact that you can occasionally make mistakes and still pass the exam, there are several serious driving blunders that will result in immediate failure. The key to passing the test is preparation and practice, even though the risk of automatic failure makes the driving test highly stringent. What are the components of the driving test? You must demonstrate your familiarity with the operation of your vehicle's essential components before the road test can begin. The parking brake must be demonstrated in use, and the car's headlights, windscreen wipers, defroster, emergency flashers. During driving, the test includes several fundamental maneuvers, such as traversing a parking lot. How well you handle traffic and if you drive at a safe speed will determine how well you are graded. Backing up. Your capacity to pull up to a curb, back in a straight line for 3 car lengths, and then re-enter traffic will be assessed. Making a stop at intersections. Your ability to pay attention to stop signs and traffic lights will affect your grade. Turning. Your capacity to make left and right turns while observing traffic, signaling, and braking will be assessed. Driving in traffic. You will be scored on your ability to drive in a business district or residential area. Switching lanes. Depending on how skillfully and smoothly you change lanes, you will receive points. What may lead to automatic failure? You can fail the driving exam for a variety of reasons other than having a low overall point total. The driving examiner must take action, either physically or verbally. This includes physically taking the wheel to avoid hitting an object or calling for you to stop if you are about to collide with another vehicle. If you crash with another car, object, bike, pedestrian, or animal, it is your fault. You cross the sidewalk or drive over the curb. You disregard a stop sign or traffic signal. You disobey a law enforcement officer, emergency vehicle, school bus, or other traffic safety personnel or safety vehicle. You engage in a risky action, such as on a motorway merge lane, you abruptly come to a stop. When changing lanes, you neglect to examine your blind spot. You go 10 miles per hour over or under the posted limit. You either drive in the bike lane or the incorrect lane. What's the secret to passing the exam? There are, regrettably, no fast cuts to passing the driving exam. The secret is practice, like with most things in life. Deborah Schwinn of Bill's Defense of Driving School claims that lack of preparation is the main factor in new drivers failing their driving test.